got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
All right, good afternoon, guys. We've had a couple days of rando projects, and now we're back to the bathroom. Let's show it to you real quick. We have it all framed out. It's only a 4x4 bathroom, shower that's gonna come off of the bedroom, but we're gonna bump it into the bedroom like
20 inches.
20 inches. So that's gonna make it like a 5x4 bathroom, just big enough for a toilet and a shower and a tiny little sink.
Don't need anything fancy.
Yeah, so we can brush our teeth inside rather than over here at the side of the hill like we have been for the last 2 years. And use the potty at night if we have to. So anyway.
And have a shower in the wintertime. So when we're up here in the winter, we can shower and feel clean instead of showering outside.
So yeah, we got it all framed out. I got a piece of OSB on the roof, and we're gonna get it wrapped up today. What, you wanna be in there too? Puppy jail. That's what we built. We built a puppy jail. We got a puppy jail. We made a puppy jail, not a bathroom. So you better behave.
This is where Dad's gonna put you when you guys don't listen.
Yeah.
When you try to do something naughty.
Which is all the time.
Got a hammer already?
Yep. your piece.
Back over with the metal?
No, because it's not. This isn't going to be wide enough. I'm going to have to cut another piece or overlap it.
Okay. Alright guys, here is an after we cut down all the trees. We cut down a whole bunch over here. And those there in front. We got these pines to clean up, but we'll get those cleaned up here. But way better. This is from the bedroom. Way nicer, right guys? Barely fit through that one, huh?
Alright guys, mistake I made with the bedroom. Mistake I made with the bedroom is I put this strapping, or like these blocks between the rafters, before I put the ventilation in for the air to flow through the roof. When you put OSB sheathing underneath your metal roof, you tend to have cold environment against warm interior environment. So you have to put some kind of airspace between the OSB and the peak, the eaves and the peak. So we use this ProVent material right here. It's just thin plastic sheets. They're like a couple bucks a piece, and they go up in between your rafters like so. And then it travels the air from the eaves where your soffits are going to be up to the peak of the cabin. Because this is an addition, I'm leaving this space open in the bedroom and here, and then the air will come up into here, and then it jumps in. You can see where the old ProVent's at, and going up in there. So that gives you an idea of how ventilation works. I'm sure there's a better way to do this because, like I said, this is an addition. There's gonna be all this dead space, which isn't really good for critters or bugs, but we're gonna box it all in ultimately anyway. And if there's any of you guys who are builders that have a better idea, I mean, I'll probably be done with this by the time you throw me a recommendation. But yeah, so that's what we're stapling this ProVent in, and then we're gonna put some bird blocking in, and then we can put the sheathing on and block up the holes, and we can cut a hole in here and start working on it. Start framing in the inside. I'm gonna do, like I said, a little bump out. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of framework in there. So So guys, I left this out last time. All I did was take a piece of foam like this, cut it to fit the roof grooves. I put it in that gap and then spray foamed it around. I was hoping to caulk or silicone or whatever at the ridge line or at the roof line where they meet. It's recessed up like 6 to 8 inches underneath the old roof. Plus this, plus spray foamed. There's just no way to get in there. So that's the best I could come up with. That if I could find like some kind of sealer tape or fill it, like I said, completely with caulk, I can do that. But anyway, this is what we're gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to get up on the roof and do this one last one. Of course, I did this from inside last time. So that's gonna make a little bit of a difference. Not gonna be able to push on it. Done it upside down just for giggles. Just drive people insane.
You wouldn't be able to handle it. You know you wouldn't.
All right, guys. We have the Tyvek. We have the Tyvek back there on the new bathroom edition. I said it right.
Bathroom. He's been saying bedroom. You know how many times he's gonna be fixing it and when he edits it?
He just, I'm gonna be putting a little note there. So, all right, let's go inside and move the dresser and see what we're gonna do, if we're gonna cut that hole tonight or not. I think we're going to. That's the plan. Let's go check it out.
It's gonna be where Jason sleeps tonight.
All right, guys.
You can put that on the bed too. Just put everything on the bed so we don't. I got my mirror finally. Never showed that. I've been living a year without a mirror.
Is good. I'm 6 foot tall. A couple extra inches. So there's 4x6. We don't have to make that decision right for a second. You do have to cut it out though if you want to do it. You want to do it?
Just do it.
You guys are the first one that's ever been in our bathroom. All right, second time's a charm.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
What do you think, Scout?
Would have been cool if we could have just made the whole bedroom that much bigger, but we're not that smart.
What do you think, Timber?